Together with Albert and Tobias. Same certificate is presented to Richie, Sir Richie Montenegro, and together with Herbert and Tobias. Sir Francisco Perol, together with RJE Arsenal. Second place and third place, Extension Court, Speech Assembly winners. Start with the third place with an average score of 92%, 92 points. Third place goes to participant number 9, Core Shelter Elementary School. Congratulations, RGE Arsenal. We would like to request the folks to receive the
certificates. Era winner.
second place with an average score of 93 points, 93% goes to participant number 1, Biliran Central School. Congratulations, Mark.
Second era.
Thank you.
And the first place, the winner for this first Extension Court Speech Assembly competition goes to, with an average of 97.67%. First place goes to participant number 4, Batul Elementary.
Winner, congrats. Congrats gihapon.